Throughout the changing era of over half a century, Jiangling has shined with passion and dreams through gradual development and progressed out into the world with steady steps. History has witnessed its glory in the past, while its outlook for the future is brilliant. Let us present to you Jiangling, a manufacturer of the highest quality. Founded in 1947, Jiangling Motors Group Company, JMCG, has total assets of 32.1 billion RMB and 26,617 employees, and is ranked among top 6 for commercial vehicle sales in China. Now, JMCG runs 5 vehicle assembly plants and 4 production bases. The Xiaolan base, with an annual production capacity of 300,000 vehicle units, is ready for production, which will accomplish a group of industry chains covering all processes from R&D, production to sales for JMCG. Jiangling has adopted advanced technology in the areas of energy conservation, environmental protection, and low energy consumption. And at the same time, it has gradually introduced sophisticated manufacturing equipment from Germany, the US, Australia, Japan, Sweden, and other countries, through which the forward-looking design of green manufacturing was realized. Light trucks manufactured by Jiangling have been praised as the most stable, most silent, and most comfortable light trucks. Its airport ladder trucks occupy the highest market shares in China. Boarding, a pickup truck, has been the sales champion for 9 consecutive years. The company owns 133 patented technologies and keeps its leading position in light-duty diesel truck exports. The Jiangling Motors Corporation Group, with the above achievements, also occupies top market shares in many overseas countries and regions. In February 2012, JMC Pickup and Light Truck won the certification for the exemption from export inspection granted by the Administration of Quality Supervision, Inspection and Quarantine. The company has been implementing the ISO 9000 Quality Standard Management System since 1996, followed by ISO 9001, ISO 14000, OHS 18000 and ISO 16949 standards. It also obtained system certification from a third party. In addition, it has green environmental protection labeling and has passed the German DQS review to achieve a certificate. And Jiangling was honored as the first Golden Export Pass enterprise in Jiangxi Province, China. Jiangling Motors Import and Export Company Limited, JMIE, is an exporter who has a long-term strategic partnership with Höegh. Its sound and stable cooperation with COSCO, CSCL and Maersk ensures that JMIE is capable of providing customers with more stable and three-dimensional cluster logistics. JMIE is also an automobile supplier with independent and personalized logistic resolutions, which makes it better than its peers in terms of professionalism, flexibility, experience, and stability. Enthusiasm, unity, progression, and dedication. Our young team offers Jiangling unlimited vigor and creativity. The company has various talents specializing in mechanics, finance, trade, languages, and international affairs. Cooperation with international brands in Europe and America has made JMIE's marketing team more globalized. In the presence of the globalized market, the JMIE team effectively pushes the globalized development of the brand with comprehensive, three-dimensional and professional market promotion systems such as sponsoring contests, professional exhibitions, TV broadcasts, and media publicity. Through its streams, JMIE is proceeding onto the global stage step by step and is outlining a positive global image. JMIE has established 12 overseas operation centers as of 2013. JMIE has built the perfect international market network with high-quality products, forward-looking market concepts, and professional services. As of 2013, JMIE has owned 87 overseas distributors, 280 showrooms, 382 dealers, 339 service stations, and exported to 110 countries and regions in total. JMIE has rapid growth and professional performance in tender and fleet segment, and was honored as UN-registered supplier. JMIE has built a globalized service system for specialized market services. The company sends around 50 resident sales and service people abroad, covering 25 key markets, and organizes technical visits occasionally. JMIE implemented online electronic parts catalog to meet the requirements of the global market. Meanwhile, it is creating network service platforms and establishing a simpler, standardized, and more accurate parts ordering system. JMIE holds service conference on a regular basis and provides service and technology training and communication for each market. At the same time, the company hosts global distributor annual conferences every year, when JMIE distributors all over the world gather together for deep exchanges and communication about markets, products, services, technology, etc. In the future, JMIE is going to pay more efforts into innovation and focus on exact demands. The company will try to meet more global market demands with new high-quality products and create new brilliance with better service. JMIE has invested over 8.5 million RMB in building its 6.52 hectare KD packaging center, whose estimated KD capacity is up to 40,000 units. At that point, efficient, professional, and instant auto CKD and SKD package services will be realized. As a pioneer in automobile exports, JMIE is exploring the development of global automobile marketing services with high-quality products and professional services, and is also providing unique and thoughtful personalized services for global customers. JMIE starts from the present and focuses on the future. Small parts come together into achievements, and creation brings value.